Hey guys, it's Miss Crowd. I hope you had a super great weekend and now you're ready to get back to school, get back to math. So I'm going to be doing your video with you. And I know it looks like you have a lot of homework today because you have a Monday paper, which was yesterday, and then you have a Tuesday paper. But you're going to be tested on all these things. So I want to make sure that you understand what you're doing. And if you don't understand, this will give you an opportunity to just review some of the things that we've been doing. So this is just place value, and it says write the 6-digit number. Okay, so what I'm going to do in order to figure this out is I am going to line up my decimal. Okay, so the first number I have is 400. Where is my decimal? Right here. Okay, actually, it might help you if you use a piece of notebook paper to write these out. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so the first one I have is 400. So I'm going to write 400, and then there's my decimal right there. So in every single number, that's where my decimal will go. The next one is 90, so that's where my decimal will go. 8, there's my decimal. And then I have decimal 9. Or it's 0.9 or 0.9. And then I have 0.009. And then I have 0.003, right? So now I'm just going to go in and I'm going to put in my placeholders. Okay, so this is just going to help you to keep your stuff in order. Bring down your decimal. Okay, so my answer is 498 and 993 thousandths. Oops. Okay, so this is the way this is probably going to help you. I know some of you are like, oh, I can just figure that out. But as the numbers get harder, guys, it's a little bit harder to figure out. So you might want to get in the habit of doing this just to make life easier. So then we have 300, right? Plus 9, so my decimal's here. Plus 0.3 plus 0.001. And that's when I go put in my placeholders, right? So 1, 0, 3, decimal, 9, 3, 0. So my answer is 309 and 301 thousandths. Okay, I'm going to do one more with you. Let me look for a hard one. Let's see here. Let's do number 5. So number 5, I have 100,000. That's a comma, 000 decimal. The decimal's right there. 50,000. Decimals right there. 6,000. Decimals right there. 300. Decimals right there. 60, and then 7. Okay, so then this one actually is easy. So then you're just going to go down, comma, 6, 5, 1. So this one, number 5, is 156,367. You guys have to make sure that you are putting the comma in there, okay? Because I need to know that you know where the comma goes. So no more of just writing the number without the comma, okay? All right, guys, so that's only 3. Let me do 2 more with you. So let's do number 7. Number 7 says 40,000 plus 2,000. The decimal's right here. Remember, it's the ghost decimal because it's a whole number. Plus 500. Oopsie. There. Plus 90. Plus 1. Plus 9/10. 9/10. Okay. So I have decimal and then 9/10, and then bring everything down. and then 9, 5, 2, 4, and then 1, 2, 3. So I have 42,591 and 9/10. All right, guys, let's go ahead and go over Tuesday's homework. So I'm going to get a new sheet of paper for Tuesday's homework. And these are not harder, but it's just stuff that you need to just be reviewing, okay? Now, do you need to review this all the time? No, but I'm going to keep bringing stuff up so that you guys can learn it. I'm going to do number 5 with you, number 5. And our secret word of the day is snow. All right, number 5 says 8/10 times decimal, or let's do it this way. Here's the thing, guys. When you're adding up decimals, you line up the decimal. When you're multiplying decimals, you line up the numbers. So for number 5, I have 3 numbers here. So I'm going to do 0 and 0.7 times 0.8 or 8/10. So do you see how I lined up the numbers, and see here how there's 3 numbers here? So I just went ahead and put that on top because it's not a bigger number, but there's more digits in the number. So that's why I did that way. But remember, multiplication, it doesn't matter which order I do it in, okay? So 7 times 8 is 56. 8 times, that's 0 plus 5, and then that's 0. And then we're going to kiss that goodbye, and then there's nothing else to multiply. So then I'm going to rock it 1, 2, 3. So that's 3, and then I have to roll it. 1, 2, 3. So my answer for number 5, is decimal 0.56 or 56 thousandths. All right, same thing goes for number 2 over here. I'm going to put this number first because there's more digits here, times 0.6, or it's times 6/10, times 6/10. 6 times 6 is 36. 6, that's 3, and that's 0. So then I'm 1, 2, rocked at 2, plus 1 is 3. 1, 2, 3. So my answer is decimal 36. Okay? So that's what you need to be aware of when you're doing that. Let's just do number 1. Number 1 is 8/10, times 1/10. Right? So that's just 8, and then rock, that's 2, roll. So my answer is 8/100. I'm going to do one more with you, and it's going to be number 3. Number 3 is 6/100. You don't have to put that 0 in there if you don't want to. You don't have to put that because it's not going to change the value. Times 3/10. So that's 18, and that's 1. 1, 2, 3. So I get a 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 18 thousandths. I'm going to do one more with you because I'm just so nice. Number 13 is 9/10 times 6/10. 9 times 6 is just 54, and then I rock 1, 2. So I'm going to roll 1, 2. So for number 13, my answer is 54/100. All right, guys, I hope you have a super great day today, and I hope you're all here. I hope we have perfect attendance. But if you have any questions, you can ask me tomorrow. Do your best, though. Try your hardest, and I will see you tomorrow.